In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change units in Fusion 360. We'll focus on changing the units for the current design only, which is perfect when you're working on a specific file that needs to be in millimeters, inches, or centimeters without affecting your other projects. Start by looking at the browser on the left side of your screen. This is the panel that lists your components, bodies, sketches, and more. Near the top of that list, you'll see Document Settings. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the section so you can see more options inside. This is where Fusion 360 keeps design-specific settings, and it's the place you want to be for changing units locally. Within Document Settings, find the line labeled Units. Hover your mouse over that line. As you hover, a small icon will appear to the right that looks like a notepad with a pencil. This is the Change Active Units icon. It only shows up when you move your cursor over the units line, so if you don't see it immediately, make sure you're actually hovering on that row, not just the header. Click that icon to open the Units selector. You'll see a drop-down where you can choose the measurement system you want to use for this design. Common options include millimeters, inches, and centimeters. Pick the one that matches your workflow or the requirements of your drawing or manufacturer. As a quick tip, millimeters are standard for most metric workflows, while inches are common in many mechanical and fabrication contexts in the United States. After you choose your unit, confirm your selection. Depending on your version or setup, you might see a small dialog or a confirmation action. Once confirmed, the Units line under Document Settings will update to show the active unit. That's your visual cue that the change has been applied to this design. A helpful note, when you change units this way, Fusion 360 converts your existing dimensions so the model's physical size remains consistent. You're not scaling the model, you're simply changing how measurements are displayed and entered. That means a 50mm dimension will show as 1.969 inches if you switch to Imperial, keeping the geometry intact. If you collaborate with others or receive files from different regions, adjusting units at the design level like this helps avoid confusion and ensures your dimensions make sense for whoever is reviewing or manufacturing the part. And that's it. You've changed the units for your current design quickly and cleanly right from Document Settings.